Well, it did snow 2 days straight, and we got tons of heavy snow and a lot of wind. Hadley, what do you think about the snow?
What do you think about the snow, Hadley? You like it? Yeah. Yeah.
Did you think it was cool?
Yeah.
Do you want to play in it? Hadley, you didn't? All right. All right.
Bye.
Bye. So, what did you think about the 24 inches?
Cool.
Is that all?
Yes, that's all.
24 inches of what?
Snow.
Oh, that's dumb.
What do you think, Dumbo?
What do you think?
So cool.
It was hard to walk through around here.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
It's still cool though.
Okay.
Explosion!
Enough with you.
Alright, so what did you think about the 24 inches of snow?
It's very pretty.
Really?
Yeah.
What did you think?
It's very pretty. I don't like that I lost my power though.
Yeah.
What do you think about the 24 inches of snow?
Awesome!
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool.
What did you think about the 24 inches of snow? Tell us! Tell us!
I think it was crazy.
That's charming.
And
Look, it's made people crazy. Look at that boy. He's nuts. He's a kook. He's a goof.
Hello, ladies. We are here for your daughters.
what did you think about 24 inches of snow?
It's pretty.
There was a lot of snow there. It was heavy.
It was a lot.
It was heavy and cold, and it tastes good.
Allie made snow cones. She took the snow cone syrup out with